complicated our lives by falling in love with him. I complicated our lives, now I'm losing my only friend. I don't know why I had to try living my life on the other side. Now I'm so confused, I don't know what to do. He loves me, he loves me now. She loves me, she loves me now. He loves me, he loves me now. She loves me. I started blurring the lines, cause I didn't care. I started crossing the line, cause you were never